Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 yoga poses that will change your life, especially if you want to get your splits or if you just want to get open hips. The first one is lizard pose, and this pose is very beginner friendly, intermediate friendly, and advanced friendly, so anybody can practice lizard pose. You can either decide to take it low or decide to do a high lizard, whichever one you want. Lizard pose just works fine, and what it does is that it helps to reduce tension around the inner thighs and just allows you to open up and reduce the tension around your inner thighs. Make sure when you practice on the left, you also repeat it on the right hand side, because it has a way of balancing every single thing in terms of stretching your legs and making it warmer. The second pose I like to teach is frog pose. Now, frog pose is not so beginner friendly, but however you could actually practice it. If your knees are hurting or if your waist is hurting, you can do it with the help of pillows, or you can take it slow, entering the pose in and out as slowly as you can. As you can see here, I'm just taking a break and stretching my shoulders from placing it on the mat. Now, the last pose that would actually change your hip opening practice is middle splits. A middle split is very beginners friendly. You can start from anywhere. You can use the help of a wall, you can use your mat, you can even start and try from sitting, anyhow you want to do it. Middle splits are very good. What it will do is it will help to open your hips on the long run, reduce tension on your hip. Hope you guys like this video. Bye.